Most people think Google Docs is just a simple writing tool. But what if I told you that smart businesses use Google Docs as a growth system, not just a document editor? From faster decision-making to better team productivity and even cost savings, Google Docs quietly powers thousands of startups, agencies, and entrepreneurs worldwide. If you're running a business, building a startup, or managing a team and still using documents the old way, you're probably wasting time, money, and opportunities without realizing it. In this video, I'll show you how Google Docs can directly improve business growth and productivity in ways most people never talk about. Benefit number 1, real-time collaboration improves decision speed. Google Docs allows multiple team members to work on the same document at the same time. This removes long email chains and version confusion. Faster collaboration means quicker decisions, which directly impacts business growth. Benefit number 2, cloud-based access supports remote and scalable teams. Teams can access documents from anywhere in the world. This makes it easy to hire remote talent, scale teams quickly, and operate without location limits, which is crucial for modern businesses. Benefit number 3, version history reduces costly mistakes. Every change is saved automatically. You can review edits, restore older versions, and track progress. This reduces errors, protects important business data, and improves accountability. Benefit number 4, faster content creation for marketing and sales. Google Docs speeds up creation of proposals, pitches, blog drafts, scripts, and sales documents. Teams can brainstorm, edit, and finalize content faster, helping businesses move quicker in competitive markets. Benefit number 5, seamless integration with business tools. Google Docs integrates smoothly with tools like Google Sheets, Drive, Gmail, Slack, and project management platforms. This creates a connected workflow and saves hours of manual work every week. Benefit number 6, improved knowledge management for businesses. Businesses can store standard operating procedures, training materials, policies, and strategies in one organized system. This helps onboard new employees faster and preserves business knowledge as the company grows. Benefit number 7, cost efficiency for startups and small businesses. Google Docs eliminates the need for expensive software licenses. Businesses save money while still accessing professional-grade tools, which improves profitability in early and growth stages. Benefit number 8, better client collaboration and transparency. You can share documents with clients for proposals, plans, or reports. Real-time visibility builds trust, improves communication, and shortens approval cycles. Benefit number 9, automation through templates and smart features. Reusable templates, smart suggestions, and formatting tools reduce repetitive work. This allows teams to focus on strategy and execution instead of manual tasks. Benefit number 10, supports long-term business scalability. As businesses grow, documentation becomes critical. Google Docs scales easily with teams, processes, and operations, making it a long-term productivity foundation rather than a temporary tool. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with your team or fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to the channel for more practical business and productivity insights. Thanks for watching.